Studies show that the blind have 4 times more nightmares than the sighted. Their nightmares are composed of sounds of potentially distressing events, like getting lost, being hit by a car, or losing their guide dog. These nightmares cause a high level of anxiety and terror in their minds and disturb their already poor sleep quality. So why not use a soothing sound to help them combat these nightmares? We turned to sound therapy research, and with the help of music and sound design experts, we created special soundtracks to soothe the trauma caused by these nightmares. A combination of the right tones, rhythms, and bass lines help induce relaxation, help slow the heart rate, and lower levels of the stress hormone cortisol.
There is a sort of cyclic pattern that happens in the choice of notes so that you are lulled into a sense of calmness.
For accessibility, we turned to a blind man's closest aid, the walking stick, and fitted it with a motion sensor, preloaded tracks, and a Bluetooth transmitter. The visually impaired place this collapsible stick by their side when they go to sleep and wear their earphones. When the stick detects violent nightmare jerks, it activates the music and soothes the person back to sleep.
I think music is the best way to come out from this kind of nightmares, which makes me feel very calm.
The world might be dark for them, but the sounds that reach them are no longer dark.